Hi, here's a video that will introduce you to an outstanding ID photo editor tool called PicWish. To start an ID picture with this tool, simply go to PicWish Image Cropper page and upload the image to use. After that, click the crop function and select passport photo. Once set, simply download the picture on your local disk. Now to remove the background, you need to go to PicWish's main page and upload the cropped image. When the picture is uploaded, click Background to change the background to the color that you prefer. Once done, click Download to save the picture on your PC. And that's how to use this awesome ID photo editor. Thanks for watching.